How to get started with Amazon Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka. Imagine the ability to capture and analyze patient data, operational alerts, and critical health metrics in real time, without any delays, from any department and any device. Now, think about what this could mean for patient outcomes, streamlined operations, and compliance with healthcare standards. This isn't some distant vision. This is exactly what Amazon Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka, or Amazon MSK, makes possible. In this video, we'll walk through how your organization can take advantage of real-time data streaming to transform healthcare services and stay ahead of operational challenges. This is your organization's call to embrace a future of immediate insights, data-driven decisions, and superior patient care, all through Amazon Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka. Amazon MSK is a fully managed AWS service designed to take on the heavy lifting of managing Apache Kafka, a popular platform for real-time data streaming. Together, let's explore how Amazon MSK simplifies complex streaming data processes, bringing your team into the future of healthcare technology. Click the link in the description for the free implementation guide and discover exactly how your healthcare team can get started with Amazon MSK to streamline operations and enhance patient care. This guide will walk you through every step, ensuring a smooth and successful implementation. Start building a resilient, real-time data system today with the resources at your fingertips. Healthcare data is more complex and time-sensitive than ever. Many organizations struggle with the sheer volume of patient and operational data coming from multiple sources, including electronic health records, monitoring devices, and lab systems. Managing these data streams and getting actionable insights in real time is a massive challenge, especially without a managed, scalable infrastructure. Without the right solution, teams often face bottlenecks, latency issues, and the constant stress of maintaining sensitive data across different departments and systems, all while navigating strict regulatory requirements. Amazon MSK takes the complexity out of handling large, continuous data streams. By managing your Apache Kafka infrastructure for you, Amazon MSK allows your team to focus on what matters most: patient outcomes and operational improvements. With Amazon MSK, your data is securely transmitted in real time across multiple departments. This managed service provides the infrastructure to connect all your data sources, securely and seamlessly integrating them with critical applications for real-time analytics and automation. Amazon MSK scales with your needs, so whether you're processing a handful of data sources or hundreds, you can deliver insights instantly and accurately without worrying about downtime or data loss. Getting started with Amazon MSK is simpler than you might think. First, set up your AWS environment, configure access credentials, and secure permissions for your team. Next, create and configure your MSK cluster to handle your specific data requirements. AWS will take care of the rest, including automatic scaling and maintenance. Finally, connect your data sources and applications, and start producing and consuming data. The risks of sticking with outdated, unscalable systems are high. Without a reliable, managed data streaming solution like Amazon MSK, healthcare organizations face a greater risk of delays in critical information reaching decision-makers, system bottlenecks that slow down workflows, and possible non-compliance with regulations. The missed opportunity for real-time insights can mean slower responses to patient needs, increased operational inefficiencies, and potential data loss, all of which could impact patient care and trust. With Amazon MSK, you gain an edge. Real-time data streaming unlocks immediate access to vital health metrics, automates time-sensitive workflows, and empowers teams with instant insights across departments. Data flows seamlessly from one system to another, meaning your organization can process and respond to patient information without delays. With built-in compliance and security, Amazon MSK also ensures that sensitive healthcare data remains protected. The outcome is not only a more efficient operation but also a better, more connected patient experience. Beyond the immediate gains in efficiency and security, Amazon MSK is designed to future-proof your organization. With seamless scalability and easy integration, healthcare providers can swiftly adapt to new data sources and applications as demands evolve. This means Amazon MSK not only supports today's needs but is built to grow alongside your organization, ensuring a flexible, resilient system that's prepared for both current and future challenges. For healthcare organizations, the stakes are nothing short of transformative. With Amazon MSK, you're building a resilient, future-ready infrastructure capable of handling the most demanding data requirements. This translates into better patient outcomes, enhanced regulatory compliance, and a competitive advantage in a fast-paced industry. Without it, your organization risks falling behind, missing out on critical insights, and being unable to meet the rising demands of patient care and data security. Ready to see how Amazon MSK can transform your healthcare operations? Click the link in the description to access the free implementation guide and take the first step towards seamless, real-time data streaming for your organization. The time to act is now, and it's never been easier to get started with Amazon MSK.